Hello again. So it was time to replace my shower handle, and so I bought it on Amazon warehouse. Let's see what it is. So I bought it used as new condition. Well, it looks like this was never used. Perfect. Comes with instructions and a nice long hose. Oh, even comes with Teflon. And there is also the mounting part. Sweet. And we have some extra washers. So I'm gonna put it back together and see how it works. Currently I have this fixed shower head, but if I want to clean the tiles, I really need a shower handle to go and spray everywhere, so that's why I'm replacing this. There's nothing wrong with this handle. So assembly, of course, it's super easy. This part goes to the shower, this part goes to the water supply. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Teflon that was included, just to make sure that I have no leaks. In next step, we're gonna attach this part onto the water connection coming from the wall. Now I'm gonna attach this part of the hose right here. Now the handle will go into this part, and we are ready to go. Perfect, looks nice. Let's see how it works. On the shower head we have 5 different settings. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This whole part is nicely rubberized, and I mean, this is rubber, this is probably plastic. So number 1 is a little mist. So nice shower. Coming from the outside and from the inside. This is just the shower going from the outside. A little bit more powerful stream coming from the inside. And now we have a super strong jet coming from the middle. Okay, so the shower handle looks very good, works well. I'm glad I bought it. Super cheap on Amazon. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.
I ordered this high pressure handheld shower head with 5 settings. This is what the box it came in, right? So you look at it, you would think, okay, well maybe, you know, it's not one of those brand name boxes, but I was a little bit skeptical. But then I had it installed, and this is what it looks like. I love it. I did a test run on it. I'll turn the water on. You can get an idea. And here's the 5 settings. Everything seems to be working great. No leaks. They installed in about 15 minutes. And it's 1 setting, 2 settings, 3 settings, 4 settings, and 5. Very strong pressure, which is what I like. I got this from my grandmother who's coming in town, and I wanted her to be able to have something she can reach. Nice, long extension. And like I said, I just got it to my grandmother because I know she sits in a chair and it's easy for her to be able to take a shower this way. So I'm loving it so far, and I think she will too. It'll be easy for her, and just put it up in there, and that's it. And easy breezy.
That's like the best I can get it. Jesus. Or it'll do this. Alright, let's see if I can get it sitting up. That'll show people what it does. So it sits like that. And then when I turn it on, oh, this is gonna get messy.
So today I got my new shower head in the mail from Amazon, and I actually connected it and it works great. Look, no problem, no tools needed. And now I'll turn on the water so you can see. Look at that, beautiful. No leaks. I can play around with the adjustments, which I haven't done yet, but I'll do that at another time. I'm just so happy I got it in. I love that force.
My quality for the task issue.
It's cracked. I think this product is not good because it's cracked. I just got it on May and it is leaking right now. It's leaking and it's cracked from here. So I don't think this is a good product.
Excellent.
Buy this if you want it to constantly fall on top of your head when you're not using the handheld part. Whoops! There you go.
This is a shower head installed. It has rapidly become my favorite shower head. It provides really good pressure. I'm in a low water area. And it worked great, so give it a shot, give it an order. It was very affordable and very easy to install.
Great shower pressure. Shower pressure is great. It's just this freaking bracket is leaking. Now I have to buy a new bracket.
I just ordered a shower head. All I had to do was remove the old shower head, put on Teflon tape that came with the shower head. It's detachable so you could rinse off easier. That's it. It works. Different settings to activate.
I'm enjoying my shower head. It's the best shower head I've ever had. Thank you so much. It was easy to put together.
You can see on the ceiling spraying it.